This is why you need unity. In every smile, every tear, and every heart worldwide lies a universal language, emotion. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene landscapes of Kyoto, every human heart beats the same rhythm of emotions. When we laugh, it's a melody that echoes through continents. When we cry, our tears hold the same salt. Imagine getting a paper cut or stubbing your toe in the dark. Yep, it's a unanimous ouch. And it's not just about the small aches and pains, the loss of a loved one, the joy of a new friendship, the pride in personal achievements. These feelings know no borders, no colors, no religions. But here's a thought. There are those who see differences before similarities, who choose division over unity. They are not just misguided, they're missing out on the richness of shared human experiences. So let's choose to celebrate our diversity, but cherish our unity. By recognizing our common emotions, we can break barriers and build a world where every person, no matter where they are from, feels understood and valued.